Hello, CQ, CQDX, Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango, QRGDX. Hello, CQ, CQDX, CQ, CQ20, Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango, QRGDX.
Now, hey guys, I hope you're well. I don't think I'll work him. Excuse me, how rude of me. Especially given that I'm not a ham anymore. But I've been sitting here at the bench, just looking around, tuning around. And I have a confession. And I haven't even opened a can of wobbly pop yet. I have a confession. I wonder if you do as well. Now, don't mind my shirt. It's hot in the laundry room shack. I'm addicted to the internet. I'm an internet addict. Now, it's not a severe addiction. I mean, I don't even have some kind of I don't even have an unholy alliance between my rig and my laptop in the form of interconnecting cables and such. That said, I love to sit here and dick around on the internet when I am supposedly enjoying my ham hobby, right? And with some hams, now let's get down to the nitty gritty. I've noticed a trend lately. For me anyway, a very annoying trend. And let's say I hear a guy calling CQ, okay? N0 Oscar Bravo, noob. He's calling CQ, okay? And so I come back to him using my old call sign, N8NK. And so he calls CQ, I come back to him, and he acknowledges me. Oh, N8NK, November 8, November Kilo. Very good, and thank you for the call, old man. You're a solid 5 by 8 in Anchorage today. And I see you're in Clio, Michigan, and your name is Chuck, and then he'll throw in, oh, I'm looking at your QRZ page. You're running a Yaesu, you're running a Yaesu FTDX 3000. I had one of those until I sold it recently. Oh, look, I see you're running an end-fed half-wave on this. You know what I mean? I don't know what to come back to that. And now I haven't even made a transmission yet, other than to call him, to throw out my call sign. And so I haven't even made a transmission, and he's acknowledged all of my personal info and left me with nothing else to say. And man, the next time, or I should say the first time I have that happen, you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to be a jerk about it, but I'm going to come back with, very good, very good. Well, old man, now that you've taken, I don't know what I'll say. Very good. Now that you've completed the whole QSO for me, left me nothing much to say. I guess I'll wish you a 73 and a good afternoon. Take care from N8NK. And I spin the knob. And I spin the knob. Have you guys had that happen? Does it irk you? Now, my challenge. For the last 3 days, I've sat here truly enjoying my ham radio because I've left the laptop closed. And I've heard things on the air that if I weren't sitting here spinning the knob, man, I've had a lot of fun. There's nothing wrong with computers and the use of them while you're enjoying your radio. Now, that's assuming you don't have some kind of unholy alliance happening, right? Hey guys, a challenge. Close the lid, man. Close it. I wish this phone would focus. Close it. Hey man, I need to switch this to CW mode. Break-in functioned off. Functioned. Break-in function off. I'd like to... I haven't sent any CW in a long time, man. Especially using this. Hang on, man. What? That's the first time I've pounded brass. Focus. That's the first time I pounded brass in a year now. Come on, man. Let the other old man tell... Come on, man. Don't tell me where I'm at. Don't tell me what rig I'm running. Don't tell me what my antenna is. Come on, man. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Let me tell you that stuff, man. Let me tell you about my rig and my gear. Thanks for putting up with me and visiting the town dump. I really appreciate it. I've got a friend that'd like to rock you the hell on off the old landfill. 73 guys. Take it away, Laura.